Okay, so I just want to show you how to calculate effect size. Remember, effect size has to do with really it's calculating the standard deviation, those of difference between those means, or how effective, in this case, whether wearing a cloak or not wearing a cloak had on mischievous acts. Okay, so there's a whole long formula in here. You actually can find effect size calculators online, and generally that's my go-to versus hand calculating it, but just for funs, here we go. So you can calculate your effect size using either this formula or Cohen's d. This is the correlation, and when you calculate out, your t-value is coming from right here, negative 1.713, and my degrees of freedom is this value right here, and you calculate that out and you get 0.34, which is a medium effect. So it's quite a substantial effect, even given though there is not a significant difference between mischievous behaviors. Cohen's d is another alternative. So if you typed in effect size calculators and you put in these values, you're going to get these two values, and you're going to get an R and you're getting Cohen's d. Cohen's d also calculate that to be 0.65. So this is the no cloak standard deviation of 1.91, which is going to come from your descriptives table. And you again get a medium effect. So in essence, we had no significant difference between these two in mischievous behaviors. However, there was quite a substantial effect of whether or not somebody wore an invisibility cloak.